Hey friends, this video shares my recipe for Candied Lotus Seeds, a delicious confection often enjoyed during Lunar New Year. Please join me in this short video and I'll show you the easy steps for making this sweet treat. For the ingredients have dried lotus seeds, sugar, pomelo essence, or vanilla extract. Dried lotus seeds can be purchased at an Asian grocery store. The ones I'm using are sold as strands, and it looks like a necklace of beads. For this recipe, I'll use 4 strands, which is about 1.5 cups. The recipe yield is about 3.5 cups candied lotus seeds. Cut the string and transfer the seeds into a colander and bowl. Inspect the lotus seeds and remove any that are black or misshapen. Small dark spots on the seeds are actually okay. This is just the skin. Fill the bowl with warm water. Wash the lotus seeds by swirling gently in the warm water for 30 seconds. Pour out the rinse water and repeat this process. Wash 1 or 2 more times or until the water is mostly clear. Remove any stems if you see them. They can be bitter tasting. They're usually removed before packaging, but a few get missed. After the final wash, drain well. Bring a medium pot of water to a rapid boil. Add the lotus seeds and stir gently. Let the water come to a rapid boil again. Skim off any foam and discard. Cover the pot with a lid. Now cook on low heat for 20 minutes. Give everything a quick stir after 10 minutes and then continue cooking. Avoid overcooking the lotus seeds. They should be soft but have a little bit of crunch. Add ice cubes into a large bowl filled with water. Transfer the lotus seeds into the ice bath. Gently swirl the seeds in the cold water. The cold water stops the cooking process and firms up the lotus seeds. Once the ice cubes are melted, approximately 2 to 3 minutes, drain off the water. Transfer into a large bowl. Add 3/4 cup sugar. Add a little bit at a time and then toss together. The seeds are soft from cooking, so avoid over stirring as this will cause the seeds to break apart. If you'd like to use a utensil, use a rubber spatula and gently combine everything together. Cover the bowl and let rest for 1 hour. Strain the lotus seeds, separating it from the syrup. Depending on the lotus seed, the syrup may be brown and murky. This one isn't too bad, but you can see some sediment at the bottom. I don't reuse this syrup and make a new batch using 3/4 cup sugar plus 3 tablespoons water. Add the pomelo essence and then combine everything together. If you'd like to use the original syrup, make this mixture using 1/2 cup sugar plus 2 tablespoons water. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Use a skillet with a thick and heavy bottom, and this will help prevent the sugar from burning. Pour the sugar mixture into the skillet. Bring it to a boil. When the syrup starts bubbling vigorously, add the lotus seeds. Using a spatula, gently spread out the lotus seeds into a single layer. Cook in batches if using a smaller skillet. Cook using low heat. Every 5 minutes, gently rotate the lotus seeds and continue cooking. This is a slow process of gradually cooking off the liquid. It's important to keep the heat low so the candy doesn't burn. After 20 to 25 minutes, the sugar should start to recrystallize. At this time, stir more frequently to keep the candy from burning. Continue cooking and stirring gently until the candy is completely dry, another 10 to 15 minutes. Transfer the candied lotus seeds onto a wire rack. Let cool for 10 minutes before enjoying. This is one of my favorite ways to enjoy this delicious sweet treat. Candied lotus seeds with a cup of hot tea. If you're curious about the inside, the lotus seed is moist with a delicate crunch. And of course, the outside is really sweet. Enjoy! Save the water used to boil the lotus seeds and enjoy it as a warm drink. Lotus seed juice has cooling properties and many other health benefits. Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.